Hi, my name is Junhao Liu. This is my ZID.
Yeah, for the first, I want to talk about the question 4. In both the Common Cluster and the Hercules Cluster, spiral galaxies appear bluish, which indicates that they contain young hot stars and active star formation. Elliptical galaxies appear yellow or golden, showing that they contain older stars and very little star formation. Within spiral galaxies, the brooch looks yellow because it holds older stars, while the disk looks blue because it contains recently formed younger stars. Overall, elliptical galaxies are older than spirals because their color and smooth shapes show that star formation stopped long ago. For the next question, in NGC, in NGC 6748, the bright blue regions along the destroyed arm show where new stars have formed recently. This blue patch indicates the presence of young massive stars that cannot live long. So they must have formed after the collision. For the question 6, the three Silicate Galaxies cluster show different mixes of galaxy types. RCS2 J2327 is dominated by elliptical galaxies with only a few spirals or irregulars. A bare 3827 contains almost entirely elliptical galaxies, which matches its role as a dense, evolved cluster core. The Phoenix cluster has a more balanced distribution, with several well-defined separate galaxies along with elliptical. For question 7, in Hubble Ultra Deep Field, irregular galaxies make up the majority of the sample. Only a small number of spirals and elliptical appear. This reflects the fact that galaxies in the early universe were still forming and had not yet developed the stable shapes. Last 3 questions. Number 8. Nearby galaxies clusters today are dominated by smooth yellow elliptical galaxies, with spirals being fewer and irregulars being extremely rare. This shows that present-day cluster are mature system where galaxies have already merged many times and lost most of their gas. Question 9. 10 billion years from now, the universe will likely contain even more elliptical galaxies than today, because ongoing mergers will transform many spirals into smoother systems. Spiral galaxies may appear dimmer and redder as their stars age and their gas supplies run out. Okay, in this experiment, I learned how to classify galaxies by their color, structure, and shape. I also learned how these features reveal a galaxy age and evolutionary stage. By comparing nearby clusters with their early universe, I gained a clear understanding of how environment affects galaxy evolution. Finally, this experiment helped me practice using real astronomical image to draw conclusion about star formation, galaxy interaction, and cosmic history.